I turned $100 into an idea that could hit $10,000. And the math behind it is stupidly simple. Here's the challenge. Take $100, but don't spend it. Grow it. Most people, if you gave them $100, would either save it in a bank or spend it on something they don't need. But here's what smart people do differently. They focus on doubling it, not saving it. Doubling it. Let's say you buy 10 items from a thrift store for $100. You clean them up, take good photos, and resell them online for $200. That's one double. Now take that $200. Start a tiny service, maybe editing resumes, designing logos, or managing social media for a local business. Charge for it. You hit $400. Keep reinvesting the profit. Keep doubling. Here's the part that shocks people. If you double $100 just 7 times, you don't end up with $700. You end up with over $12,000. That's the power of compounding. Not luck. Not overnight riches. Just smart, repeated decisions with the money you already have. The goal isn't getting rich in a week. The goal is learning how money actually grows. So here's my question for you. If someone handed you $100 right now, what would you do with it to start doubling it? Comment your strategy below. I'll pick the best one and make a full video about it.